Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on Solana back in December, to be exact December 26, 2023, when the price of this asset was $113.94. And my main assumption was at this very point that we had a breakout below the range of support that I marked by this yellow line. And if it breaks about $108.39, we have to land at least at around $90, and then we might have some kind of reaction. And here is the current price action, and as you can see, we had this movement to the downside. If I make this rectangle longer, you can see that we have several touches of this range, and we have a decent bounces. And then we broke it to the downside and hit the next level. Let me delete this tool, I don't need it so far. And guys, this is the pure evidence how powerful technical analysis is. And if you want to know more about tips and tricks of technical analysis, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So, and let's continue with the price action. I have to say that I made this breakdown of its movement, and my main assumption at this very point was that, let's switch to weekly time frame. My main assumption was that we had a very ugly candle. Here you can see this candle, and we were forming, while I was making that video, we were forming this candle and it was quite bearish. And as you can see, we didn't even break the range of resistance at $113.36 that I marked back in the days. And to be honest, I made a lot of predictions of its price action back in 2021 and 2022. So definitely you can rely on my technical analysis and you can do your own conclusion based on this. So let's continue with some fundamental numbers. We are hovering at around $1.62 trillion of total global crypto market cap, and it is slightly below the level of the previous day by 0.68%. And I have to say that Solana holds strong its fifth position right after BNB, and it has total market cap at the level of around $42.094. And guys, if you take a look right here, you can see that it is in consolidation phase, and here you can see at the bottom of the screen the volume of this coin. We don't have any major spikes and any major bottoms. And here, if you switch to, let's say, 2 hours time frame, here we have pretty much the same structure and with the same volume. We don't have any significant movements of the volume. That is why this is a pure consolidation phase. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. And before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if my assumption is correct and we completed 5-wave structure, we have to see the retracement, and we are in this retracement right now. First of all, I want to pay attention to this range. If I connect all the tops, you can see right here that we have very good reaction. 1, 2, almost to the tick, 3rd time, 4th time, and we have another reaction for the 5th time right here. And we have this breakout above this range. On the one hand, definitely it is a good bullish sign. But let me show you in details this structure. You know that when the asset completed its 5-wave structure, we have to have the retracement, and usually this retracement should have 3 waves in it. And potentially we might have, this is our A wave, this is our B wave, and we are forming the C wave. In this case, you definitely know that A wave might have 3 or 5 wave structure, and we have 3. 1, 2, 3. B wave should strictly have a 3-wave structure, and we have it 1, 2, 3. And C wave in this case should have a strictly 5-wave structure, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we don't have another leg to the downside. But guys, on the other hand, let me show you that we hit the range of support that I marked again back in the days from its previous price action. If I switch to 4 hours time frame, do we have this? Yes, somewhere here we have the same. Let's switch to daily time frame. We have the same lines from this previous price action, and here is the range which this asset hit back in March of 2022, and it had a very good bounce. And definitely this bounce is happening right now with this price action, but at the same time we have this breakout, as I already mentioned, and to confirm the bull trend, this might be the potential bull trend to the upside that will break this swing high. We potentially might have this structure. We also might have 3 waves, but it is a failed wave, and let me show you that potentially it might be W, X, and Y. And if it is the case, definitely we have to see the next leg to the upside, and on a smaller scale, potentially we already have these 5 waves. It is not the best structure, to be honest, because third wave, if it is the shortest one, I don't want to measure this wave right now. If it is the shortest one, we cannot rely on this breakdown. So let me show you the invalidation point. The invalidation point to confirm the next leg to the upside will be the breakout above this range of $107.45. Because in this case, if it is the WXY correction, we will confirm it as this type of correction, and we will eliminate the ABC correction that should have another leg to the downside. And in this case, yes, we have a decent possibility to hit higher targets, and let me project this target if it is the real bottom. First of all, let me show you this tool. It is the Fib retracement tool. If I pull it from the bottom of the first wave to the top of the 5th wave, as you can see, we hit exactly 0.382, and we have about 35% probability to see the trend reversal out of this range. But at the same time, we have the breakout below this level, and it is quite concerning part. So let's do some measurements in order to project the highest, the top of the next wave. So on a bigger scale, if this is the first wave, this is the second, this is entire third wave, this is the bottom of the 4th, we have to land somewhere higher. And in this case, the top of this wave should be, let me show you like this. If I pull the Fib retracement tool from the bottom to the top and to the bottom of the retracement, the most probable range of the extension in the 5th wave compared to third one is 0.786, and it is $165.91, which implies, let me show you from our current range, about 70% of upside potential, but we also have 21% of downside potential. Definitely it is quite severe range of potential losses. And if you want to hedge your long position, wait for the retracement and accumulate your position all the way down with the stop loss slightly below this bottom. In this case, it will improve your average price, it will reduce your average price, and it will improve your risk to reward ratio. And as I already mentioned, the invalidation point for the bear trend is the breakout above the X wave, and the invalidation for the bull case definitely will be the breakout below $78.79, because in this case this correction will be invalidated, and we will have this is our ABC correction, and the C wave should have a 5-wave structure, and in this case potentially we might land lower. Again, let me pull Fib retracement tool from the bottom to the top, and in this case we might land from 0.5 all the way down to 0.65, 0.618 to golden pocket range. And as you can see, it is almost the confluence with the $50 mark, and this means if the Y point will be broken, The most probable range where we might see a significant reaction is this one, in between $52.52 and $56.13. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack.